What's up, y'all? My name is Jack Sumner, and I am the owner of Sumner Social. See, I'm the owner, but it's not about me. This company is thriving. We're winning because of people just like you. And our team is strong. We move like a family. We move like a unit. And it's our mission to help people learn the skills of digital marketing and sales and flow power to the students, providing joint venture opportunities. See, I think it's important for people right now to learn how to make money online so they can be their own boss, so they can have the freedom to do what they want, when they want, and take control of their lives. See, I think a lot differently than most people. See, I believe if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. And you can have anything you want, and you'll get anything you want once you raise your awareness. See, the reason people make $100K a year is because they don't know how to make $100K a month. They're not aware of how to make $100K a month. We all have things we want: more money, new car, big house, start a family, travel the world, and look, you deserve all of it. But we all want those things because we think it'll make us feel better once we have them. And I want to say this: I believe the secret to getting all those things that you want is alignment. You have to get aligned with everything that you want in your life, meaning start to feel how you would feel if you had everything you wanted right now. How would you act? How would you talk? How would you talk to others? How would you talk to yourself, your self-talk? How would you feel? And if you can hold that vibration long enough, what you want will show up, and I'll prove it to you. So I want to tell you a little story. I was a sophomore in college, and I decided to quit playing college basketball, my lifelong dream, leaving my best friends, leaving the team that recruited me, and I transferred back to Charlotte to finish up college, right? After quitting basketball, I was like lost. It felt like the rug was pulled out from under me. Because up until then, I thought I was going to the NBA. I thought I was going to play in the NBA. That was my mindset the whole time. And somewhere along the line, I lost my love for the game. Now, at this point, now I know I didn't lose my love. I was just out of alignment. And I was looking at the situation the wrong way. But anyways, it all turned out good. But what happened was I went through being lost. I was depressed, knowing I was meant for more, but couldn't figure out anxiety. I couldn't figure out depression. I had, all kinds of things going through my mind. So at one point, my friend vouched for me, helped me get a job at Food Lion. My first shift there, I was like, bruh, this is not it. I felt so off. Like I almost walked out on my break and never went back. Anyways, I walked out, and I literally did go back. I did walk out after my first shift. I finished my first shift, thankfully. And I walked out, and they say that a job is a drug they give you to forget about your dreams. Well, I guess it depends on how you look at it, because that day, that job inspired me to actually reach my dreams. So I'm broke. I walk out of the job. I'm broke. I don't have any money. I'm looking at my brother. I'm looking at my family. I'm looking at my friends. They're all not only doing better than me, they're freaking excelling. Like they're making millions already. And I knew there was something more for me. So I started doing personal development. I started listening to audiobooks. I literally, my headphones became like a college. I walked around listening to inspirational stuff all the time. I found Abraham Hicks. I found Joe Dispenza. I found Tony Robbins. I read books like Think and Grow Rich. I started studying people who not only made a lot of money, but were fulfilled. That was really important to me. I learned how to meditate. I learned how to be grateful. That's what I'm doing. I'm out here in the woods right now, walking, being grateful. And I slowly began to remember who I was. I remembered who I'm supposed to be. And the world started to show up differently. It started to show up differently. Strangers started to look like family. Struggles started to look like opportunities. And my life changed. I started my business. I made $5K online in 1 month. I was like, whoa, hold on. I made $10K online in 1 month. I made $20K. I bought my first home. I found the girl of my dreams. We did $100K in a month. Shit was changing. We found out we're having twin boys just recently, and we're building a second home, and both of these homes will turn into rental properties, and we'll have real estate. It's crazy. So my goal for this year, I want to let you know my goals because it's important, is 5 million. We've made a lot of money online. I don't compare myself to others, but compared to Elon, compared to Jeff Bezos, we got a long way to go. All right. And I say that because what we're doing isn't anything special. You can do it too. Just continue to grow, raise your awareness, and find alignment. Now, what I'm doing now is I'm asking myself, why am I not at 5 million a month? And like I told you earlier, it's because I need to raise my awareness. But I'll tell you this, I'm aligning with it every freaking day. And though it hasn't shown up in the physical, it's shown up in the vibrational, in my mind. And I want to say thank you for coming on the team. We're excited to have you. You're now part of the family. And that's why you're here, literally. This could be a long-term thing. This could be a learning experience to propel you to the next stage in your life. This could be where you really develop your skills. Whatever this is for you, I want to help you win. And I want to help support you, not only reaching your goals and dreams, but to help you raise your awareness. All right? So welcome to Sumner Social. We're happy to have you. And I want to help you, okay? Let's do it.